Hey there, it's Andrea, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the hashtag and the importance of the hashtag for your school. First of all, you may be asking, what is a hashtag? Well, as a definition, when it comes to social media, a hashtag is a word or phrase preceded by a hashtag or the pound sign used to identify messages on a specific topic. In your case, it's your school. A phrase or slogan with the hashtag that really promotes the great things happening at your school. So my question is, as we go into this new year, do you have a strong district hashtag? One that's going to unite all of the stories that are shared across social media platforms, and you should be using it everywhere. Some of my favorite hashtags have actually come out of students' creations, like hashtag life at the 803. It sounds like a TV show. Hashtag Go Crickets. It's everywhere, right? And they put it on their swag. They've got it on backdrops. They've got it on ice scrapers. I mean, it's amazing. So you can use your hashtag everywhere. Now, one spot where schools sometimes get hashtags wrong is they have too many hashtags. When a user, like, a student or staff member has to think, which hashtag should I use? I think you've lost the battle. So you really want to promote one big hashtag, and you just have to make sure that it's unique to your school. If it doesn't identify your school, if you search the hashtag and there's all sorts of different organizations not even related to you using it, that's not a good hashtag for your school. I hope this tip helps, and I want to know your hashtag. Post it down below, right? Let me know. I love to follow cool school hashtags and promote the heck out of them. So until next time, you guys, keep telling those stories.